Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I really hope that you guys are safe. Okay, so today's video is gonna be a requested one. जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था ना दिल्ली में, उससे कुछ दिन पहले मैं सरोजनी नगर गई थी and then it didn't make any sense to film a haul video. But then I asked you guys कि अगर आपको अभी भी देखनी है तो and you guys said yes. So yeah, just for the entertainment purpose, we gonna do Sarojini Nagar clothing haul and I can't wait to show you all the stuff. So if you think that you'd be interested in watching this video, then keep on watching. So first I'll tell you a story. So me and my friend were planning, like we were like so sure कि मई में ना हम गोवा जाएंगे ही. So then lockdown happened and the situation is like so bad everywhere. So obviously our plan is cancelled, but मैंने थोड़ा shop किया था गोवा के लिए, so I thought that I'll just show you that here and just wear it to my imaginary Goa vacation that I don't think this year is gonna be possible. But yeah, so first I picked up this bikini top, this olive green bikini top. मैं थोड़ा सा side हो जाती हूँ so that you guys will be able to see me, the try on part. Okay, so this is like a olive green bikini top and जो इसका back है ना वो काफी interesting है. It has some like buckle action going on and it says that it's from H&M, so that's great and it is my size only. It's like 34B, so it just, I think I got that like too lucky and found this. This one was for only $100 because it's just a bikini top, right? Next, from the same shop, I picked up another bikini top. Now this one is a little bigger to me, इसलिए मैंने ना इसको पीछे बांध दिया है. I have this lock already, but I actually tied it at the back because it's a little bigger to me. So I'm not pretty sure about this bikini, but yeah, I just loved the idea of wearing red on beach, so I got it. And of course Sarojini में तुम try नहीं कर पाते हो. I know a lot of you guys would be interested to know from where you guys can shop beachwear once the market opens. So there is this lane in Sarojini जहाँ पे ना Kins है. Kins एक showroom है. In the same lane, like just next to Kins showroom, you'll find 2-3 shops selling bikini or beachwear, so you can definitely check this out. Next thing that I got is again in my beachwear collection. So I got this really beautiful jumpsuit. So it's like very low neck from the front and from the back. I know how to wear it. So this is like the back part where you get this strings to tie, and then this is the front. When I saw this, I was like, it's gonna look super cool with very colorful bikini top inside it, and that's why I got it. It's a very beautiful jumpsuit. You can see how it looks on me with my olive green bikini top. I think it just looks stunning. It also has like slit going on both sides, so you can easily flaunt your legs. And yeah, I just love how it looks on me. I was so happy when I was buying this कि finally मैं गोवा जाऊंगी, able to wear all of this. But no, the universe had something else planned for all of us. Okay, anyway, this video is in association with Carmessi. Carmessi is one of my favorite companies when it comes to feminine hygiene products. We all know that we are going through a very tough time and we seriously cannot go out of our house and our periods just do not stop, right? So I thought it was a good time to talk about Carmessi. The best part about Carmessi is that these period products can be ordered online and delivered to your doorstep. As I said, Carmessi is one of my favorite brands when it comes to feminine hygiene products, especially their sanitary pads. These pads are specially designed for sensitive skin. I love them as they are not only soft but rash-free pads. I'm not just saying this for saying this. Carmessi has actually been certified as 100% rash-free pads by gynecologists. The problem of rashes and stuff gets really bad, especially during the summers. So definitely check these out. The top sheet is made from corn fiber and it contains no chemicals or irritants. They have a very breathable back sheet which allows the air to pass and reduces humidity in our intimate area, so you won't have any issues related to sweat, which ultimately causes redness and rashes. One more thing about these pads are that they are available in 3 different sizes: large, XL and double XL, so you can definitely choose whatever size you want to choose for according to your flow. So I personally use their large plus XL one, so you can choose you can go to their website and select whatever variants you want for yourself. So do check out these Carmessi products. I'm telling you, you guys gonna love them, especially now because I think this is the best time as they're having their sale from 7th to 13th. Just for you guys, I have one more code which is right here on the screen. You can use it and get a special discount on your purchases throughout the Carmessi website and not on just sanitary pads. All the Carmessi products are available on Purple, Amazon and of course their own website. And जो भी links होंगे वो सब description में हैं, so please check कर लेना. I know that you guys gonna love these products. Moving on to our video, I have 2 more tops that I got from Sarojini. You guys know how much I love such vest tops. अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट वीडियो देखा था तो आपने देखा होगा उससे मैं 3 डिफरेंट कलर्स के पिक किए थे. दिस टाइम आई पिक्ड अप वन इन वाइट. आई नो आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये मुझे पूरा कैसे आएगा, बट दीज आर लाइक प्रिटी स्ट्रेचेबल, so I adjust, okay. And the next top, which is in a very better quality than the white one, because it's got ribbed material, it's so much better. And this is in like neon green color. I don't know what I was thinking while buying it, but I think this looks super cool. I still have no idea like where I'm gonna wear it, but I really like it. Now these both were for like 100 rupees each, which I think is a very amazing price to pay for such tops. These are like such amazing basics items. I love collecting such tops, I think. Next items that I picked up are these pants, and also I'm saving the best one for the last, so make sure that you stick till end. Okay, these are the pants that I picked up. These are in like khadi wala kapda. It looks like that and comes with like high waist. I know these look like normal palazzo only जो हम कुर्ता वगैरह के साथ पहनते हैं, but I think I can style it in like वेरियस वेज. ऐसा ना कि ये जो मैंने वाइट टॉप लिया है उसके साथ तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, बिकॉज द टॉप इज़ लाइक वेल फिटेड एंड जो ये प्लाजोज है वो थोड़े लूज है, तो साथ में काफ़ी अच्छे लगने वाले हैं. आई गॉट दीज प्लाजोज फॉर 200 rupees. Next and the last item that I want to show you guys is this super cute co-ord set. Now this is in tie and dye, lilac and white. Are you kidding me? Like these are like my favorite colors. He was selling it as co-ords, and I know the color is like the skirt's color is a bit lighter than the top one, but they look so cute together. You can see how it looks on me. I think they look like super cute. So now the skirt is like bodycon, and you can definitely wear it like as a tube top as well. I think can I tell you, like I just love this so freaking much. So yeah, I think this is the best item that I found this time in Sarojini. I'm in love, and yeah, this set was for 300 rupees. मैं बक्स बोलने वाली थी, बट मुझे कई बार लोग टोक चुके हैं कि बक्स डॉलर्स को बोलते हैं, एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी. आई डिड नॉट रियली नो दैट. आई जस्ट थॉट दैट इट्स अ स्लैंग दैट यू कैन यूज फॉर एनी करेंसी, बट जस्ट डोंट बी रूड while correcting me. I'm also learning things, so yeah, just be kind on the internet, you guys. And yeah, that was it about this shopping haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you really like my recommendations, I would highly recommend you guys to check out the pads that I showed you. If you are someone who uses tampons, they have that also. They basically have everything that you can need in your period, so make sure that you check their website at least once. मेरे कहने पे कर लेना, because I'm telling you, you guys gonna love it. Try कर लो एक बारी pads खुद से, and I'm telling you there is no going back. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Make sure to comment down your favorite item below. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, all the good things. Don't forget about the bell button, and please stay at home, please stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video.